Hi everybody, welcome to your next tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be adding pages to a Ionic app. To do so, we will type in Ionic start blank app blank dash dash v2. The word blank tells Ionic that we do not want to use any predefined Ionic templates. As we can see, that our Ionic app has now been created. Now let's open it up in any text editor. I'm using Sublime Text. As we can now see that Ionic has created some folders for us. Now let's navigate to the home folder. As we can see here, there are 3 files in there. To add pages, we will create another folder and name it page 2. We will now add another file to it and save it as page2.html. Now we will add another file and save it as page2.js. No, I don't want to pay for it. Now for simplicity, let's just copy everything from home.html to page2.html and change everywhere it says home to page 2. Now let's go to page2.js and copy everything from home.js and paste it in here. And change everywhere it says home to page 2. Now let's go back to home.js. Now we would like to use the nav controller from the Ionic framework. To do so, we will add nav controller right next to where it says page on the top. Now we also want to include it on this page. To do so, we will type in nav controller. What this tells Ionic is that we want to import the nav controller as the variable nav. To instantiate, we will type this.nav equals to nav. We will also want to add another method which says go to page 2, which we will use later to navigate to the second page. To do so, we will add this method and then put this.nav.push page 2. This will not work because we have not yet imported page 2. Now to import, we will add page 2 from, and let's look at the path. So page 2 is a directory which is on the same level as home. So we will go one up, say /page2/page2. As you can see that we are not saying .js because we are exporting this thing in another class as page 2.